Now, I've already started to work out the answer to part B. It asks us, when does this expression equal 14? Now, as we've rewritten this like that, then that's the same as asking, when does this equal 14? So I divided both sides by 15. I did a substitution here to try and make this a little bit easier, so I called capital X equal x minus 0.64. And I rearranged that as well because I'm going to need that in a little bit. Now, our limits for this question are 0 to 2 pi. That's for the smallest positive value, so I'm going to guess it's between 0 and 2 pi. But that's for our small x. We're doing capital X, so if I take each of those values and subtract 0.64 from them, 2 pi is about 6.28, so if we subtract 0.64 from it, we would get 5.64. I've gone ahead and done my inverse cosine, making sure I was in radian mode first, and I got 0.37 as my answer. So one answer to this is 0.37. I also know for cosine that the two answers together are going to add up to 2 pi, or 360. So another possible answer for this question, with 2 pi being 6.28, that would be 5.89. And it looks like this is going to be the smallest value that we have. Now, we've also got to check here that we're finding values from here to here. Now, with cosine being symmetric, that means that as well as 0.37 being a solution, negative 0.37 is also a solution to this question. Now, some people eliminate that one because it's negative, but that's okay. That's all right for this one because we're only looking at capital X here. When we convert back to small x, we're going to add on 0.64 to both values. So when we add 0.64 to this one, we're going to get 0.27. And when we add 0.64 to this one, certainly we're going to get an answer that's bigger than 0.27. So this will be our smallest value. Another way we could have figured this out as well is, once we found our two key values, we can add on 2 pi or subtract 2 pi to find any other values. And 5.89 take away 2 pi would actually be our negative 0.37. So our answer to this one is 0.27.